Hi, welcome to Herons on the Fly. I'm Glenda, and we are in Oklahoma City, and I've carved out a day to go birding, which I'm very excited. I haven't been birding in Oklahoma at all, so hopefully we'll get some new birds for the life list. And today we're at the beautiful Martin Park Nature Center. It's right off the highway. I'm sure you can probably hear that. But let's go check it out. Okay, before I go birding in a new area I've never visited before, I kind of do my homework the night before, and I will get on eBird and pop up the explore button, and it populates all the birding spots, and of course the red ones are where people have reported seeing birds recently. So I'll kind of hone in on those and pull that up. Here we are at Martin Park Nature Center, and you can click on that and it will list the birds that people have reported seeing. So I may not, there it is. And then you can go in, and I usually do last seen so that I can see what birds have been reported here. So I'll check that. I'll check different areas. I'll do a Google search to see what the best birding spots are in the city or in the area that I'm at. And it kind of lets me decide where I want to go hit first, so that I can see birds that I haven't seen for my life list. So we have a beautiful bird blind here. So we're going to sit here for a little bit and see if we can see some birds. I also open the Merlin app and do the sound ID, and that helps me kind of hone in on what Merlin might have heard, and helps me kind of look for the right birds. I don't count on Merlin to count birds that I've seen, but I use it as a helpful tool. Okay, highly recommend this nature center. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of shade. It's nice and cool. A great day, great morning birding. They've got some feeding stations, and it's awesome. Thanks for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you out birding.